Hola beauties, I am Ritika and welcome back to my channel. First of all, sorry for being inactive in YouTube for a long time, but now I am back with some amazing news. As you have seen here that the title is written my first PR package and this is here. Okay, so first of all about my makeup, and I have done my full makeup using this products only, and really I am obsessed with this lipstick. Oh god, I have never thought before that nude lipstick can look great in my face, and after putting this lipstick I think I am gonna buy so many nude lipstick from this brand. I was super excited, really. And now I'm going to tell about this package. I have received this package from My Glam. It is a makeup brand. Okay, so let's open this package. First of all, here is written cruelty free. Oh my god. Enhanced with natural ingredients. Wow. Paraben free. Oh my god. This thing only a girl find in a brand which will not harm her face. So now let's open the box. Okay, so it opens like this, and you can look at here. I received a card and you can look at this. Wow. This feeling is amazing. Now I'm reading what is written here. Hello gorgeous. Oh my god. You are now a My Glam EXO Insido. We cannot wait to co-create amazing beauty products with you. You have made our day and we hope this special gift also makes you. So here is a coupon code of 250 rupees. When I will purchase any product from My Glam of 999, which means 1000, I will get 250 rupees off. And see here. Okay, now coming to the products. I have received 4 products, and first product is this. This is a BB foundation. It is written My Glam Clean Beauty Argan Oil BB Foundation. It is a stick foundation. Okay, first of all, this is such a smooth finish. You can see my face. I'm not feeling that I have put any kind of makeup in my face. Okay, so now coming to the product. So this is a stick BB foundation of Clean Beauty My Glam, and it is in the shade Oak. Okay, so I have used this now, so that's why it's looking like this, and the quantity is good. You can see. Okay, so this much product we get in a stick foundation of My Glam BB stick foundation. Second thing which I received is My Glam K-Play Rose Highlighter, and guys, believe me, the product from inside looks so cute. First, when I opened the packaging and seen the product, I was like, oh my god, a product can also be so cute. Okay, so first of all, look at the packaging. Very good. It's very nice. I love this. Now coming to the product packaging. Wow. You can look at this. It's a very light pink color box. And this is a rose highlighter. It gives really very nice glow. I'm just showing it to you. Okay, now look at this. Wow. Okay, so the next product is My Glam K-Play Strawberry Blush. Now let's open from inside. Okay, same packaging for this also. You can see here. Opening this one from. Oh god, this is such a beautiful pink color. And the smell is also good. Well, I don't like at all any strong kind of smell in any kind of skincare or makeup product. I really don't like. But this is so sweet smell. Wow. Just look at this. Oh, don't look my nails. It's looking so bad. This blush is super duper pigmented. I'm not doing so much of variety of this product because this is sponsor video, or I got this product in PR, not at all. I just done my full makeup using this product so that I can review this product truly to you. And yes guys, I have done my eyeshadows using this blush only. And the last product which I received is a lip crayon, means lipstick, and I love it. Actually, I love lipsticks a lot, but I don't like nude shades of lipstick. But I tried this lipstick and now I'm in love with this lipstick. I'm gonna buy so many nude lipstick now. I think I have said this 2 times, but yeah, I'm in love with nude lipsticks. Okay, so this is the packaging. Glam Perfect Curves Moisturizing Matte Lip Crayon. Okay, so in winters, every girl want lips to be moisturized. No one want a chapped lips. I don't think so. Any of the girl want a chapped lips. So everyone wants a moisturizing lip crayon. So this one is super. I'm feeling very moisturized right now, and just let's open the product from inside. Wow, it's looking so awesome. Okay, so look at this. Wow, it's look good, yeah. I think I'm excited because I received my first PR box, but the reviews are 100% true. I'm not just telling it because I received in my PR package. I have used the product just to review it for you all. I'm giving it for you all. The color is super duper good, and why to see here? Look at here. I have just put in this lipstick and wow. So guys, these were the products which I received in my first PR box, and I'm going to tell you the price of each and every product. So if you want to buy, I will mention the link in the description box. You can just check them out, and if you want to buy, then add to cart and just buy it. Don't think a lot. I have used this product, I'm in love, and I think you will be also in love with this product. So guys, this was my video, and I'm really very happy that I received my first PR box. And the girls who are thinking that कि दीदी आपको मिल गया या फिर आपको मिल गया रितिका, हमें भी दिलाने का कोई रास्ता बता दो, कोई स्टेप्स बता दो. So if you want any kind of video कि आपको कैसे PR packages मिल सकता है, just comment in the comment box. Then I will make a full length video for you all that how to become a beauty influencer or beauty blogger. And thank you so much for watching this video till here. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down which product you like the most. And thank you so much, Mind Glam, for sending me this PR box. And subscribe to my channel to get notification of my recently uploaded videos. And a new video is coming soon. So bye bye. Love you.